Assalamualaikum viewer, welcome to ThemeDirector video. In this video, I am going to show how to add different type of tag about your channel. By those tags, anybody can find your videos. Your channel's tags help you to find the actual users, actual viewers of your channel. So let's start. How can we do this? For that reason, first time you have to open a browser, then go to your YouTube channel, then click on your YouTube channel's icon, then press YouTube Studio. From this page, click on Settings, then click on Channel. From here, you can add your channel's tag within 500 letters. You can add one words tag. If you want, then you can add one more words tag. So how can we add a tag? Like type here this, then press comma. So this, it's a tag of your channel. Type here one more word, then press comma, then one more words, your channel's tag, and see here a red signal because you have crossed your limit of 500 letter. So you have to delete one after one letter. Then when it will less than 500 letter, then press backspace and press comma. So this, it's a tag of your channel. And one more, this is the another tag of your channel. So I don't need this, so I cross it and cross it too. So how can people find your channel? If you select these tags and copy this, then I am going to another browser, another YouTube channel, and search here with this tag and press enter. Then you can find my channel's video here. It is my channel's video, and this and these are my channel's video. If I go again my tags, then double click on it and copy it, then go to another YouTube channel and search from here with this keyword, press enter. Then you can find my channel and my channel's video. If I go again and from here I copy this keyword, then go to another YouTube channel and paste it and press enter. Scroll a little. This keyword used too many people. For that reason, I don't find my videos. So all keywords will not work, but some keywords will work about your channel by finding your channel's videos. So after entering your keywords, you have to save these. So these keywords help you to come more and more visitors in your channel. So that's it. If you like this video and new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, then press all for getting the latest update videos from your notification bar. Wishing you best of luck. I am finishing this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.